Hey there, thanks everyone for all the interest in our new robots, and I'm very excited to be showing you the first one, which extracts data from Sales Navigator, then scrapes websites for each lead and uses GPT to classify the company and the person whether each lead is relevant to your business or not. For those who want to test it out, we are offering up to 2,500 leads, so I hope you will provide quality feedback. Ready to get started? Let's go. So first, sign at leadspicker.com like this. Very simple. And once you are signed in, you can click to start from scratch or start a new project like this. Now just choose a name for the project. And in the robot menu, in this menu, choose using robots as the way how to import data. Now from the menu of robots, choose the Sales Navigator Monitor 1. Here we go. This robot requires to install Chrome extension so we can connect your LinkedIn account. So click on this button, click on Add to Chrome, confirm once more, and that's it. So now I go back to Leads Picker and connect your LinkedIn account by clicking on this button. That's it. Now we can continue setting up the robot. Just choose a name. And it requires really minimum input from the user. The first field requires your LinkedIn Sales Navigator search URL. So I prepared this one, where I'm looking for founders, co-founders, CEOs, CTOs in a company who are in the company less than 1 year, from California, and also, which is my favorite one, I want only the one who became founders, co-founders, CEOs, CTOs in the last 90 days. So only the ones who changed jobs. I got decent amount of results, so I'll just copy the link and paste it here. Now, not everybody is relevant for me. I want only the ones who are actually building their own product, so their own software or even hardware. So I'm looking only for technology companies. So for this robot will scrape website of every company, also the LinkedIn information of every company, and run it through GPT to decide if this is a relevant company or not. So to do this, I need to put here a GPT prompt. So I made a template that you can use later on, but look at it. So I'm asking AI to classify the following company as yes, relevant or not relevant based on some descriptions. The descriptions are taken, it's the information from website that we scraped, it's the information from LinkedIn that we scraped, and so the robot is actually really looking at the website, not just on the LinkedIn. The classification criteria here are that I want only, so the relevant company is a technology company that develops and offers own software or hardware product. And I also mentioned that companies that offer consulting, advisory, custom development are marked as not relevant. So what the robot, what it does is that the companies that will be marked as yes relevant will be sent further to the workflow, and the rest won't. So now, once I have the relevant companies, I also want to make sure that the people that LinkedIn gave me are actually matching my persona. So for this, I we'll put in another prompt, and this time I want to assess whether each individual's job title corresponds with the listed roles. So here I just describe what are the roles that are relevant, and I'm going to classify this based on the name and the position. So again, I'll describe what's the yes relevant answers and what is the not relevant answers. Here I can choose the frequency, like do I want to do it once or daily or every 3 days or weekly or once a month, doesn't really matter, which is especially useful if you want to track the newly hired people, new founders or anything. Here you can limit how many leads you want to scrape and classify, and you just click on save and the robot starts running. So it will firstly download or extract the data from Sales Navigator, then it will go and scrape each website, then it will analyze the website, analyze the LinkedIn description, decide if this is relevant or not based on what you describe in the GPT prompt, then it will look at the people and it will push only the relevant leads with websites, with LinkedIn profile, and other information to the context page. This might take a while because it's scraping the data in real time and it does quite a lot of work. So let me. So once it's done, it will be here in the section of contacts. But let me show you how it looks when it's done. So we have, for example, this project. So one is done. It gives you informations like this, and then what you can do is that you can click on magic columns. You can enrich even more. You can enrich your missing emails, or you can write AI personalization based on the description that you scraped, or even you can scrape the latest LinkedIn post and again use it to personalize the message and more. So basically that's it. You can run outreach with unlimited emails and LinkedIn directly from the platform, and yeah, I hope you like it. Test it out. We will be doing also some group onboarding calls, so yeah, just test it out and give us some feedback. Thanks for watching.